Looking for a gaming laptop that won't break the bank while still providing a solid performance? You are in the right place. From strong Ryzen and Intel processors to brilliant Full HD displays and lightning-fast SSDs, these laptops are built to handle everything from homework to casual gaming with ease. Whether you're streaming, editing, or playing your favorite games, these laptops have flawless visuals, snappy keyboards, and ingenious cooling systems to keep you in the game. This list includes the finest budget-friendly laptops that balance performance, portability, and affordability. Number 7. LG Gram Pro 17-inch. The LG Gram Pro 17-inch is a powerful laptop that manages to be both lightweight and quite capable. It weighs only 3.3 pounds and has a small 0.6-inch profile, making it ideal for anyone who is constantly on the go but refuses to compromise on performance. Its 17-inch display is brilliant and vibrant, and the anti-glare coating allows you to work comfortably even in bright conditions. Inside, the Intel Core Ultra 7 Series 2 processor is combined with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD, guaranteeing that everything from heavy multitasking to massive file processing runs smoothly. The NVIDIA RTX 5050 GPU provides smooth graphics performance, making it an excellent choice for gaming, multimedia creation, and even AI-powered projects. One outstanding feature is LG's Hybrid Gram AI, which combines on-device intelligence with cloud-based AI to speed up everything from document generation to smart hard drive searches. Furthermore, with Windows 11 Home and Copilot AI built in, multitasking, creative work, and even summarizing lengthy articles becomes simple. Productivity is not limited to software. This laptop's 90 watt-hour battery may last up to 25 hours, and the AI Smart Assistant helps maximize its efficiency. Above all, with such a large 17-inch screen, it may seem ungainly during packed journeys, and its premium performance comes at a hefty price. Nonetheless, the dual cooling system keeps it cool even under intensive use, and its MIL-STD ruggedness ensures it can withstand life on the go. In short, the LG Gram Pro strikes a rare mix of mobility, power, and clever features. Number 6. Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop. The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is designed for gamers and producers who want uncompromised performance. At its heart is the Intel Core i9-13900H processor, which easily performs intensive multitasking such as video editing, streaming, and gaming. When combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, which is powered by the Blackwell architecture and AI-driven technologies such as DLSS 4, you get amazing ray traced images, higher frame rates, and sharper image quality that elevates every game to theatrical status. The 15.6-inch FHD screen with a refresh rate of 165 Hz provides smooth, responsive gameplay with minimal ghosting, while the 16:9 aspect ratio and 82% screen-to-body ratio keep you engrossed in the action. Performance is more than just sheer power. The Nitro 5 stays cool under pressure thanks to its dual fans, a sophisticated exhaust system, and configurable controls via NitroSense, ensuring that your laptop does not overheat during marathon sessions. Storage and memory are also remarkable, with 16GB DDR4 RAM expandable to 32GB and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD providing rapid load times and lots of capacity. Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4, and a suite of USB and HDMI connectors cover every accessory or display you may require. On the other hand, it weighs slightly under 5 pounds, making it not the lightest option for travel, and the gradient neon design, while eye-catching, may not suit everyone's taste. Still, for gamers and creators seeking raw speed, AI-powered performance, and immersive visuals in a single package, the Nitro 5 gaming laptop provides an outstanding combination of power, cooling, and connectivity that puts you in command. Number 5. Mall Race 2026 Gaming Laptop. The Mall Race 2026 gaming laptop is a shockingly powerful device designed for both work and pleasure. At its center is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, which has 8 cores and 16 threads and can achieve speeds of up to 4.5 GHz. This means that multitasking, whether it's web browsing, photo or video editing, or light gaming, is seamless and effortless. The 16GB DDR4 RAM, expandable to 64GB, paired with a 512GB NVMe SSD, up to 2TB supported, ensures that apps launch rapidly, files load quickly, and creative projects run smoothly without lag. Graphics are handled by the integrated AMD Radeon, which provides crisp and colorful images that make gaming, streaming, and editing media fun. The 15.6-inch IPS display is bright and vibrant, providing an immersive experience whether you're playing a video game or working on a creative project. Connectivity is likewise powerful with USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, full-function Type-C TF card slot, and audio jack, as well as Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable internet, ensuring that you're always ready to stream, game, and collaborate online. Portability is a key feature here. The laptop's lightweight design and 54.72 watt-hour battery provide ample power, with a full charge taking only a few hours. It is ideal for working on the go or gaming away from your desk. On the negative, it is not intended for extensive AAA gaming, and integrated graphics may hinder some high-end images. Still, the Mallrace 2026 is a good choice for a versatile, portable, and low-cost system that mixes productivity and casual gaming thanks to its great multitasking, vibrant visuals, and extended battery life. Number 4. HP Victus 15.6-inch Gaming Laptop. The HP Victus 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an excellent choice for gamers and casual producers who want a smooth, responsive experience. The AMD Ryzen 5-7535HS processor with 6 cores and 12 threads can accelerate up to 4.55 GHz. This implies that multitasking, gaming, and even some light content creation may operate well without interruption. With 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, the system can process apps and files swiftly, allowing for smooth gameplay and workflow. The AMD Radeon RX 6550M graphics card provides clean visuals and adequate performance for mid-tier gaming, while the 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate reduces lag and ghosting, providing a sharp, fluid image throughout fast-paced action. The laptop also includes a backlit keyboard, an HP Wide Vision HD camera, a built-in microphone, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection, ideal for online gaming, streaming, and video conferencing. An integrated USB 3.0 hub enhances your connectivity, allowing you to conveniently connect several devices. On the negative, 8 GB of RAM may be insufficient for heavy gaming or multitasking, necessitating an upgrade, and the RX 6550M is better suited for leisure or mid-range gaming than top-tier AAA titles. Still, the Victus strikes a mix between performance, portability, and smart features such as the 144Hz display and integrated hub. For gamers or creators looking for a powerful, compact laptop that can manage everyday tasks in mid-level gaming, the HP Victus offers an amazing combination of speed, visuals, and connectivity. Number 3. Lenovo LOQ Essential. The Lenovo LOQ Essential gaming laptop is designed for students and strikes a mix between performance, mobility, and style. It's powered by the Intel Core i5-12450HX, which blends high performance and efficiency cores to ensure that whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing homework, everything runs smoothly. When combined with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, apps run rapidly, files load quickly, and multitasking seems natural. The specialized NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, which is based on the Ada Lovelace architecture, provides amazing visuals and seamless gameplay, while DLSS 3 technology employs AI to improve performance and make games look sharper at greater resolution. The 15.6-inch FHD display has beautiful colors, 100% sRGB coverage, and 300 nits of brightness, making games, movies, and school projects look sharp. With a refresh rate of 144 Hz, action sequences feel fluid and responsive, ideal for gaming or video editing. The laptop also comes with a 3-month PC Game Pass, which provides access to a library of titles including EA Play to keep entertainment fresh and engaging. Comfort and portability are also important considerations. The lightweight design and lunar gray color make it portable from class to dorm, while a full-size keyboard provides tactile feedback with 1.3mm key travel for typing or gaming. Lenovo's sophisticated cooling system, which includes a huge 100mm fan, keeps temperatures under control during intense sessions. On the flip side, 8 GB of RAM may be insufficient for heavy multitasking or demanding games, and storage may require expansion for larger libraries. Still, the LOQ Essential stands out as a versatile, sleek, and dependable choice for students and casual gamers, combining performance, mobility, and AI-powered images. Number 2. Coolby 15.6-inch. The Coolby 15.6-inch RIABook is a lightweight, practical laptop intended for students, professionals, and casual users who desire reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. At its center lies the Intel N95 quad-core processor, which can handle everyday office activities, online learning, light picture or video editing, and even games like League of Legends. It also supports up to 3 4K screens, making it suitable for multitasking and media work. The integrated GPU assures offers clear images, and when combined with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD expandable by MicroTF, this laptop provides fast performance and file access. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is bright, sharp, and color accurate, providing a comfortable viewing angle while protecting your eyes. The connectivity is carefully thought out with numerous USB ports, HDMI and Type-C for charging and data transfer, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, and 3.5mm audio input. It even features dual charging ports, which reduces wear on a single port while increasing versatility. Other convenient features include a full-size keyboard with a numeric pad, a huge 6.5-inch touchpad, and a 2-megapixel webcam with a privacy shutter slider for security. The ReaBook is portable and convenient, weighing only 3.53 pounds and equipped with a built-in cooling fan to keep the system cool under load. On the downside, while it performs light gaming and productivity well, it is unsuitable for intense 3D gaming or resource-intensive software. Still, for anyone looking for a dependable, lightweight, and feature-rich laptop for everyday tasks, media, and casual gaming, the Coolbee ReaBook hits the ideal blend of performance, mobility, and usability. Number 1. Kager. The Kager 2026 RX16 is a powerful gaming laptop built for speed, performance, and immersive graphics. Its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS CPU, which has 8 cores and 16 threads and can accelerate up to 4.75 GHz. This means faster load times, smoother multitasking, and more responsive performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing creative work. The RX16 is equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, upgradable to 64 GB and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, expandable up to 4 TB, providing ample space and speed for gaming, media, and productivity applications. The 16-inch IPS FHD display produces sharp, colorful visuals with a broad color gamut and fast refresh rate, making action-packed games, films, and integrated graphics stand out. Integrated graphics perform well in ordinary operations, while heavier AAA games may test the boundaries significantly. The dual-fan cooling technology keeps the laptop running smoothly, reducing overheating during prolonged use and guaranteeing steady performance. Other features include a backlit keyboard, numeric keypad, and Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, making it suitable for both gaming and everyday use. On the negative, its integrated graphics may not please demanding gamers, and at 16 inches, it is slightly larger than ultra-portable laptops. Nonetheless, the Kager RX16 stands out for those searching for a dependable, speedy, and visually appealing laptop that strikes a balance between performance and usability. With expandable memory and storage, powerful cooling, and intelligent features, it's an excellent choice for gamers, students, and professionals looking for a machine that can keep up with their pace. And there you have it, the best budget gaming laptops that show you don't have to pay a fortune for speed, performance, and great pictures. From the ultra-portable Coolbee ReaBook to the powerful Kager RX16, each laptop provides a distinct set of multitasking, gaming, and productivity features. Whether you're a student, content creator, or casual player, there's something here for you. Don't just take our word for it. Try these laptops, feel the difference, and choose the one that best suits your style and demands. Subscribe now for more honest, hands-on tech recommendations right here at Legit Pick.